Alexander Heating and Air presents What's in a Technician's Tool Bag. Let's begin by discussing each piece individually. The tool bag can be over the shoulder and small enough to fit into tight spaces, but big enough to carry all the tools shown. The first major tool you'll need is a multimeter with the ability to measure AC and DC volts, amps, microfarads, ohms, microamps, and continuity. You will need some sheet metal cutters, a box knife, and a set of wire strippers. You'll need a good set of magnetic nut drivers in both the 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch sizes. I like to carry 2 handle lengths for different tight spaces. A must is a good pressure temperature chart and a chart or slider card to calculate the required superheat by using the wet bulb temperatures for the indoor vents. It is not required, but a nice to have is a good cordless driver. You will need flashlights to see into dark spaces, such as attics and crawl spaces. A set of screwdrivers, both the standard and Phillips, and a socket wrench. An adjustable wrench, a standard pliers, a Schrader valve removal tool, and needle nose pliers. 2 more electric tools you'll need is a sling psychrometer to measure the wet bulb temperatures, and an infrared temperature gauge to get to those hard to reach vents. And that's it, your complete technician's tool bag.